Gaming with Gummy here, and in this video, I'm also gonna be joined with Cool Creeper once again. And I just fell off. I'm Tiny Yoda. Okay, so if his family's screaming in the background. Well, not screaming. Okay, so let me get over here. So I'm adding 2 people to the wellness wall in this video. I'm adding Spencer Neiman. He commented lol, smiley face. And Awesomeness2536. He's one of my good friends. I'm planning to have him in one of my videos once he gets back from his trip. And they are both subscribers, so they get a diamond block under their name. Okay, so let's get building. In this video, Cool Creeper is going to be helping me build my house. I got some work done on it last video. And I did a little more work on it. You shall not pass. Here, watch this. Okay. Is the door shut? Yep. Okay. So what I did in this video, or in between videos, oh seriously, so much crackle. I added a flat screen TV in front of here, and then I put, and then I put a speaker right there, and surround sound. Oh, it's only been 1 minute, that's better. Okay. Okay, so, I'm going to start building. I think I'll put the doorway right here. And let's get building. Andy, do you want to build a room? Like over here or something? Hold on. Let me get that and that. Oh, here. I'm going to change my skin so I'm not so freakishly tiny. What should I be? I would be... Oh, I wish I had the Doctor Who skin pack so bad. I think I will be... Trash can girl. No. Nah. Cowboy. There. Okay, so I'm going to do a little terraforming. I think this room will be my kitchen. I have spoken. Can you make all the floor glass? Can you make the floor glass? This is not the floor, the glass. Glass. Like under here. Yes, like no, one block lower. One block lower. Like this. Yes, like that. Okay. Keep building. Okay. Sorry, me and Cool Creeper are having I guess a little trouble communicating. It doesn't help that I can barely hear him, and he can probably barely hear me. So, I didn't do that. It was him, all him. It was all his fault. His brother said, yeah, right when I said that. Oh, that was hilarious. Um, Do you know how to build kitchen appliances? Do you know how to build kitchen appliances, like fridges and stuff? I know, I can barely hear you. Tell your parents to be quiet. No, just kidding. Okay, let's see. How can we build? I think we could put some. Hold on. Where? Tell me where. Tell me where carpets are today. What color what color counter should I make? I think I'll do brown. 90 chests. Where chest? Oh. Is that your phone? Oh. Like. This is I love that you can crouch and do this now. Such a good feature. I'm so glad they have it. Okay, then I'll put that right there. So I have some counters, and then do you know how to do fridges, Andy? Yes. So what you need, dispenser, a button, and an iron door. Where are they? There they are. Now move. And an iron block. You also need to get an iron block. Here, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Uh, okay. Oh, hold on. Whatever. I just do it this way because I do it this way because then right there. Oh, hold. Oh, wait. Huh. Okay, the button for the fridge. This is gonna be difficult, but let's see if this will work. Oh, Andy, I'll have to do it your way. Huh? I can't because of the carpet. Here, do it like over here. Yeah. Magic. Seriously? Does this not work? What's... Huh. Weird. Okay, well, it's a fridge that doesn't work. There. Boom. Magic. Okay. So, stove. I need a furnace. Where are furnaces? Where are furnaces? Oh, right here. Okay. So I'm gonna reposition the camera. Okay, sorry if it's kind of crooked. Coal. That's what I need. Stacks of coal. Or a stack of coal. So there we go. And then over here. What else? Oh, table. Or an island. Uh, Carpet. What are you doing? Move. Thank you. Okay, and what are we at? 9 minutes. Okay. Move it, move it, move it. Okay. Hold on, I have to kick someone from the party. um, okay, there we go. Sorry about that. That was another one of my friends. I probably should have told him that I was recording, but... Oh, there we go. Shut the fridge. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay. Sorry, I didn't get what you were meaning. Here. Build something right there. Andy, build something right there. Oh no, build something. Okay, what else does it... What else does a kitchen have? I need the tissue box. Oh. Sorry about that. I have allergies. Not my fault. Okay. Oh, here. I got this off the Stampy's channel. It's food roulette. That. That. I placed it right in time. Okay. What? Oh, okay. I need that. One of those. Two cookies. Throw in a healthy thing. Some golden carrots. Potato. And poisonous potato. Hold on. Put this stuff in. Be right back. How do I get out of my house? I gotta start. I'm coming back. I had to go grab something. Okay, here. Here. I want you to eat this. Hold on. Run around. Sprint till you lose a hunger bar. Here, let me do this. No, I'm not. See, look. You can even look at it. It's a regular potato. What? It's a potato. Eat it. Eat it. I said eat it. Oh. Jump around. It's not put. Here, I'll eat one too. Here, I'll eat it. Did you just punch me? Hold on. Okay, before I end the video, I'm gonna do one thing. Okay, I'm back. I'm back at my house. What? Why can I not do this? What? Oh, you're in creative. Come back here. Come back here. Whoops, did not mean to do that. Sorry. I meant to do something else. Here. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, I know where you are. Okay. Okay, Andy, stay where you are. Don't move. Don't move. Are you in creative still? Oh, wait, I know. Okay, so I'll end the video here. Just reminding you to have a gummalicious day and see you in the next one.